how to sign up to Sweatcoin Shop. So if you want to sign up or if you want to register to Sweatcoin Shop, then first make sure to install the application. You can open up your Play Store or your App Store and simply search for Sweatcoin Shop. Once you've searched here, you will have this application. So you can simply install this application, and once you've installed, tap on open, which will be on the right side. And after opening, you will have this kind of interface. So if you want to sign up, then first you can simply tap on sign up with Google, or you can simply log in if you already have an account. So now you can simply choose a Google account by which you would like to create. Tap on continue, and now tap on access physical activity, and then tap on allow, or you can simply skip this part. Now tap on connect and continue. Scroll down and then tap on allow, which is on the bottom right. So if you want to receive the notifications, then tap on yes please, or if you don't want to receive, then tap on no thanks. So simply choose any option that you are comfortable with, and that's it. That's how you can create your Sweatcoin shop. So from here you can simply go for the upper left, and here you will have your profile and your account. So that's how you can create your account, by simply tapping on sign up with Google. Your account will be automatically created, and that's how you can create. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.